Yay! We're heroes. Oh, Clank! There we go. Boing! This game is so fun. So risky right now. Okay, maybe not that risky when you think about it. Ah, what the crap! Clank, get across! Clank, 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 clank! That almost sucked. By almost, I mean very almost. Ah, excellent. Time to destroy these things. Oh, crap. Time to destroy these just because I want a trophy. That. Ah! When I say almost sucked, I mean it did suck. What the hell is this? No, must destroy thing. No. Okay, that really did almost suck. Must get trophy. Oh, it's this thing. I can do that. Got it. Oh, another one. Okay. Again, can do that. I'm very skilled in the art of doing that. Well, I am now, anyway. Now that I've figured out what I'm supposed to be doing, I am.
Put me down, you stupid graboid! I'm a galactic scout! I have a gold arrow in interstellar biology!
Oh, you're so adorable. My little Susie, my little Susie. Oh, shit. That didn't go well, that didn't go well. I'll time it, this time I won't fail. I know I can do it, this time I won't fail. I gotta save Susie, she's the main character. I gotta save her, otherwise we're out of a show. Okay, I can't think of anything else. Must collect the ammo. Where are we going? Oh, I didn't even see that.
Weeks until retirement, and I'm hauling around creatures like a day-old minion. What am I, an amateur?
Yes. I mean, no.
I am ready.
As am I. Whee! Whoa, that was cool. Oh dear Christ. Well, you're big. How about big? I mean, what the hell's going on?
Wait for me!
What just happened? The last I saw, we were perfectly on that platform. And then we died.
Weeks until retirement, and I'm hauling around creatures like a day-old minion. What am I, an amateur?
No, really though, what just happened? I was fine, and alive, and then I wasn't. Okay, we're both alive and on that platform this time. So anyway, skipping this so we don't die. Okay, that was an odd glitch. Well, I saw something down there then. Well, I did, but it's not anything useful. Okay, this is kind of annoying sometimes. Okay, go. There we go. Okay. Up we go. Oh dear. Whee!
Why are we out here looking for some pint-sized squishy? We should be looking for a way home!
Well, it's nice, isn't it? Saving someone nefarious. Don't you feel compassion? No? Alright. Oh dear Christ. Oh dear Christ. Oh my god, nothing is... Rock off. Hi! You look terrifying. Okay, gotta hit the tentacles. Ah. Okay then. I see how to kill you. This makes a lot of sense, actually. Kill it. Now go for the mouth. Aim for the mouth. One more should do it. Unless we run out of ammo. That would suck just a little bit. Prefer not to run out of ammo. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. You died!
Detecting a hook shot ahead.
I see a hook shot ahead.
Did you see that? That was so cool! That was amazing! Thanks! Come on! This way, Mr. Robot!
Oh, that's one of your friends. Okay, good. I was slightly worried for a second. You've been abducted again within a second. No, it's all good. It's your friend. Sure? I can deal with that. Talk to the village elder. I can do that too. More bolts. Haven't got many bolts in this area because I kept dying. Some of them due to really stupid glitches. Some of them my fault. Either way, I'm enjoying this game. This place looks somewhat familiar. Okay. We're back here. Sure.
You saved us from the graboids!
Did I? Okay, excellent. You're welcome. More bolts. More. Oh, I know what that's for now. Yeah. We have the thing for it now. Oh, game, I love you for that. I love it when you do stuff like that because it's cool. It just is though. Because it's just so stylish. And I'm going to use my super run faster power to run faster. Because running faster is better. It's just better. Sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes it does, and when it works, it's brilliant. So I'm running faster. Hello. Level end. I got bolts. I got stuff. I got stuff. And I won. I thought the game froze for a second. Did worry, but it's okay. What the hell is that?
We call it Ephemeris, the creature collector. Oh, it's been around for over 100 years, snatching the universe's most dangerous beasts and bringing them here, to our planet.
Who is in control of the machine?
No one knows. But that tyrant you saw in our village was its emissary, Commander Spock. He has been protecting Ephemeris for years. But now that you're here...
Whoa! Look! I'm just trying to find my way home.
But you're Ratchet. You saved the whole universe. You're not supposed to... Oh, I sneezed in my mask.
Listen, kid. I'd love to help you and your dad. But my pal and I, we're retired. As soon as we're off the planet, we'll notify the Defense Force.
Susie is not my daughter. I'm afraid her parents were lost during the Ephemeris raid on Totem Phi. Like many other children here, she is an orphan.
Aww.
Alright. So where do we find this Commander Spock?
Yeah, I'm not so big on the whole haunted forest thing.
That's cool. I just thought you'd want to raise your approval rating by saving a few thousand voters. I guess parades and groupies just aren't everyone's thing.
Wait a minute. Both of those are my things. Straight up!
Wait for me!
This fairies is scared of a big old terrifying tiny bug. This place looks interesting.
According to this satellite feed, there's a large sorting terminal 1 sector north of the Dead Grove. I'd bet my original rotator cuff that's where you'll find Commander Spock.
This readout says it can only be accessed by a subterranean railway station. Oh, sorry, rookies. Looks like the only way through is down.
You can call us rookies. Yeah, new weapons.
In the mood for extreme destruction?
Yep.
Try the Warmonger, a Terraclon rocket launcher with only one setting. Vaporize.
Yes.
For added carnage, use multiple warmongers on the same target.
Holy crap. It's like the first Rhino, except... Actually, it's more like the Decimator.
Oh, looks like the Warmonger's available.
Only 6,000, really? Nope, but I'm complaining. Gimme.
That Warmonger, rookie. She packs a wallop.
I think you're a few bolts shy, Rook.
I know. Damn, that's cool. Right, well I think I'm going to end it here for now because I'm going to have dinner very, very soon. So, I'll say goodbye. Because I'm enjoying this, I don't want to say goodbye, but I will say goodbye. So, yeah, see you in the next part.